What is up, everyone? Today on Family Hat, there's more fucking renovation on the house. It's time to fucking replumb the bathroom, good lord, the kitchen, and put in the new dishwasher. I'm fucking done.
What, do you have a bad day? No, it was easy. The first 5 hours I was just drilling holes, so that was fine. Yeah. And then the last 4 I was just DAing and grinding. So don't. Oh, just get me off. It's hard. Nice and that worked out. That's like that. It's gonna get gross. Wow, this is going a lot better than I thought it would. Yeah, I'm making it work, yeah. If all keeps going well, it might be done soon. Yeah. I need to move a little bit, but this is the last thing I gotta do. Exactly. Like that would have been a big issue. Yeah. I think it probably was a little issue, but you just took it out and took it out.
I finally clicked off recording and I got it. Took me a second, but I had to remember how to do this. There we go. Might need another one for this one, but that ain't no big deal. Fuck, and then I went too hard. This right here is from my main channel, Seth LeRoy Adventures. Like, it's my biggest channel, but I'm gonna get some hot dish merch eventually, but if you click on any of the links, you can see all my merch. But this hat, dude, so smooth in the way it fits, and I was thoroughly impressed. Because sometimes when you have that stuff created, it can, like I had stickers made that ended up being teeny, but anyways, enough of the chit chat. I gotta grab some tools and let's get going on this frickin' dishwasher.
I haven't recorded anything because it's been fucked up.
Well, that's it for this one. I didn't even get it completed. Just frustrated because finally when I snaked it and had it the way that I thought, but we have this one plastic piece was broke, but I didn't know we even needed that piece. So when I went to get the pieces, I didn't get one of those, but I'm gonna try tomorrow, I believe. I don't know. Really frustrated because the last time I put a dishwasher in, it was like nothing. Yeah, so I think it's just that piece, but that's it. Like, share, subscribe, hit the bell. That's it for this one. See you on the next one.